My name is Eddie, and I am going to give you a tour of the manufacturer's side and the dealer side of QT. I built this, I'm a contractor, and I wanted to streamline the ordering process and the estimating process for myself. And I realized it was a much bigger thing that I needed to do. So I'm going to walk you through the system that I built. I built it intentionally for the hardscape and landscape industry, but it is for all industries. Once you see how it works and you see how smooth it can be, it's pretty cool. So, if you're a manufacturer and you're looking to sell a product, I would add you in here as a manufacturer. And I would add each plant that you have under your manufacturer. So, that way, when dealers request to sell your product, you would approve those dealers, just like you see here, and then they would have full access to your product data book, the stuff that you sell at that manufacturer, that specific plant. And the reason I did that was because if you're in New England and you wanted to buy pavers, you're not going to upload Chicago's plants, so it's separate. And I also did that so when those dealers get approved, they can place orders off the manufacturers. Now, this system is totally free if you wanted to put your product in there and allow dealers to be able to use that information. If you wanted the dealers to be able to purchase those information, purchase that inventory, excuse me, purchase that product off you and create a dealer's approval to streamline the ordering process, we can do that, but it's going to cost. That is a service that we offer. We're in the process of building that. But I'm going to show you the dealer side of it. So if you're a manufacturer, you sell a product, you have multiple plants, you have multiple dealers, and you wanted to connect the contractors and the homeowners all in one system, this system is for you. So I'll show you the dealers. We'll go view, we'll go to approved dealers. We'll go to view products. And this is going to be, if you click on manufacturers, this is the manufacturers that Acres Edge has been approved by. QT Community Products, View Products. This is where the dealer can add in the product or edit their product. You can see Unilock is in here. If I wanted to select a subcategory, these are all of them for the hardscape and landscape industry. Pretty cool. If one of the important things about this, if I was to click on main pavers, so the question is, how do I help contractors? I help contractors by putting in manufacturers' product data books, so when they put in the job specifics, it automatically gets calculated for them, whether it's main paver, border paver, base material, bedding material, poly sand, edging material, all of it. So you can see here, Unilock's product data book has been imported. This is New England, Uxbridge. The dealer can set how they sell it. They can set the quantity and the price for how they sell it. Pretty cool, streamlines it, makes it super easy. And if we go back, this is if the dealer had someone call and say, hey, how much black mulch do you have? If you wanted to use the quantity side, you can. Per yard, how much you sell it and what you sell it for. All this stuff can be brought up, whether it's Trio Smooth Rec, This is what we have. This is the quantity. You can edit it, and when you edit this information, it automatically gets uploaded to the contractor's phone. So there is no miscommunication or, you know, hey, I just wanted to let you know, Jim, that our price went up. The price never goes down. So price went up. You don't need to do that. It'll be there. If you're a dealer and you don't want to post your actual pricing or your inventory, you do not have to. It's there for the dealers that want to. The cool thing as a contractor is I can create an estimate from multiple dealers, and when the customer approves, multiple dealers will get a work order. And it streamlines it for me, it makes it super easy, and I love it. It's the way of the future, and I'm excited to be able to provide the service for contractors, homeowners, dealers, and manufacturers. So as a contractor sends an estimate to a homeowner, you're going to get an order. And you'll see here, it'll either say special order or it's not. This means that you don't have it if you keep track of your inventory. If you don't keep track of it, all orders will be special order, so it's not a big deal. You can change that status right here. Super cool. It'll get uploaded to the contractor. Contractor will get notified. You don't need to call them. You'll see the address, job title. You can view that, company's information, client's information, and then what is in the order. You can download that dealer's invoice as a PDF, the client's invoice, and you can use your existing billing system. We do not take care of any funds. We don't want to. The system's out there already. If someone was, hey, manufacturers like, hey, we want everything in one, we can supply that for you. As far as the inventory, we don't track it like other softwares do. This is just for dealers to show their contractors and the contractors to show the homeowners. So it's up to you. Same with manufacturers. If you wanted to sell products to the dealer and streamline the ordering process, not sure how some of the manufacturers do it. I know everyone does it a little bit different, which is okay. So if you find it useful and you're interested, feel free to reach out. Me and my wife put in the inventory so that it gets put in there correctly. And then once it's in there, once any dealer can request it, upload it to their inventory, and sell it to contractors, streamlining the ordering, estimating process, and making a smoother transaction for all. Contractors approval, if you have watched the mobile demo, this is where I would place a quick order. Hey, I need a bag of poly sand. I can view that. In this case, I needed a border paver, 12 square feet. Download the PDF, send it to the yard boy, put it in your existing billing software, and you can change the status. Ready for pickup. So this is pretty much the software. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. My name is Eddie. My phone number is 603-508-4681. Thank you and have a great day.